This is ridiculous.
Somebody tell me why
This is ridiculous. Hold on. Let's go. Let me. This is the new Quest. The new Meta Quest Pro is AR and VR. Look at this. What? This looks amazing. I want it, but it's probably $1,000, which I don't have. I gotta get my content creation off the ground so I can buy this. This is what I gotta get it. This is what I gotta get my content creation off the ground for, so that I can make enough money to buy the Meta Quest Pro. That's the goal.
Somebody tell me why this was never in any of Meta's presentation.